Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to create a portfolio on Behance. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now here, as you can see guys, when I open Behance, as you can see, some of the designers have their own portfolio, as you can see. And now when I open one of these portfolios, let's say this one here, for example, as you can see here, some designs. And when I scroll down, more designs and the same designs on mockups. And there's also a small video, as you can see, showing the same designs. And when I go down here, I can see more things about the designer. So the first thing you should do right now is to just take some ideas on how or what you're going to do in order to make a creative portfolio. So actually what I'm going to do right now is to simply see some of other portfolios. For example, let's see this one also. As you can see, we just collect some info and some data in order to make up your mind and come up with a new idea in order to make a creative portfolio for yourself. Okay, now let's search for more recent participants on Behance. So I'm gonna type graphic design. So now let's click on this one right here, this option, then click on most recent. Now here, as you can see, I can get into one of these portfolios and see more, or I can simply click on the name of the designer by clicking on this icon right here, then go click on the work right here, click on it. Then simply here, I can scroll down and see the work of this designer, or I can actually go to appreciations and see more options or more ideas. These are the designs that this designer has appreciated, and I can go back and see more and more designers and get new ideas. Now let's say that I want now to make my own portfolio, and now I have created an idea inside my mind and I want to apply it. Simply you're going to click share your work, then click on project. Now here, as you can see, you have some options. You can start building your project by choosing one of these options right here. So let's say that I'm gonna upload an image. I can simply upload an image from this icon right here. Then after choosing the image that I want, I will click on open. Now let's say that you want to create the image. You have here two options. You can simply use Adobe Photoshop in order to make your own image, and you can make it as long as you can, so that the client can simply scroll down and see the whole picture in your own portfolio. Or you can simply use these tools right here in order to build your portfolio step by step. But here in this video, I will show you another method which you can easily use by using this website right here, which is called Canva. Most of you know Canva. You can simply go on Canva and write portfolio for graphic designer, for example. Then here, as you can see, it will show you many options that you can choose one of them and customize it according to your portfolio. So I'm gonna choose this one here, for example, then click on customize this template. Now here, as you can see, you can now modify or customize this template according to your use. So let's say that I'm gonna, remove this name right here and type my own name, for example, as you can see right now. And you can change the place of the elements right here by clicking left click and drag it. And I can actually change this photo and add another photo. And you can also choose another text styles from this icon right here. You can add new elements. As you can see, there are many elements, and you can also search for the element that you want, or you can simply use this draw or this pen tool right here in order to draw something that you want. And whenever you do a step that you want to remove it, you can simply click on Ctrl+Z in order to undo the action that you did. So you can simply use any one of these tools right here. You can also choose apps and see more apps that you can use. Let's say that you want to remove a background. This app is going to be very good, and you will find more apps that you can also use in order to make your portfolio. You can also click on add page in order to add a new page and customize it as you want, just in order to make your portfolio as a long image and put it on Behance. And after finishing, you can simply click on share and download the portfolio that you have made. then go back and upload it, then click on image and upload it. And that is it. That's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.